Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So I have 25 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 20. Now 25, this is the same thing as 5 squared. So now I'm going to replace 25 with 5 squared to the power of x. So now plus 5x is equal to 20. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is the same thing as a to the power of n to the power of m. So 5 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this is the same thing as 5 to the power of x to the power of 2. So now I'm going to let the variable t equal to 5 to the power of x. So now if I replace t with 5 to the power of x, I get t squared plus t is equal to 20. Now I'm going to subtract 20 on both sides. So now I get t squared plus t minus 20 is equal to 0. Now this is a simple quadratic equation, and this will be factored into t plus 5 times t minus 4. And this gives me two equations. I have t plus 5 is equal to 0, and I have t minus 4 is equal to 0. For t plus 5, this means that t is equal to negative 5. And for t minus 4, this means that t is equal to positive 4. So now remember, we set t equal to 5 to the power of x. So let's first try the value t equals negative 5. So if t equals negative 5, then I have negative 5 is equal to 5 to the power of x. And this can actually not be solved. This actually has no solution because you can't take a power of a number and make it negative. So this is wrong, meaning t equals negative 5 is wrong. So that means that we are simply left with t equals 4. So now we have 4 is equal to 5 to the power of x. Now I'm going to take the log on both sides, so I have log 4 equals log 5 to the power of x. And then this would get me to log 4 equals x times log 5. Now if I divide both sides by log 5, I get log, I'm going to write this over here, log 4 over log 5 is equal to x. And this is our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 5 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5, and this is equal to 100 to the power of 5. Now, I'm going to change the 100 to 10 squared. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5, and this is equal to 10 squared to the power of 5. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 10 to the power of 2 to the power of 5, this is going to equal 10 to the power of 2 times 5. And 2 times 5 is simply 10, so this would equal 10 to the power of 10. And also, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, because this is simply equal to a to the power of m times n, we could reverse these two, meaning this would also equal a to the power of n to the power of m. So in this case, I'm going to switch the places of x to the power of 5 and 5. So now we would have x to the power of 5 to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 10 to the power of 10. And if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a is equal to b. So in this case, x to the power of 5 is equal to 10, meaning x is equal to the fifth root of 10. So this is our answer.